Drunk and hungover, can't find my house keys. Who was the chauffeur? Got one shoe on and not the slightest clue where my cell phone is.
What was her name? I was definitely on one. Rhonda, Miranda, or Sandra. Shouldn't have mixed that light with the dark rum. Now I'm in the bathroom throwing up a lung. Gotta make a run for that Gatorade punch. Head pounding on the one like an 808 drum. Gotta grab full hangover 101. It soaks it all up, you should know that, bruh. Pocket full of numbers covered in wheat crumbs. I'm a lover, not a fighter, while my knuckles feel numb. No pun intended, but I really feel dumb. Found dead on my neighbor's front lawn throwing up. Seems last night I was acting like a fool. Tag Facebook pictures of me jumping in the pool, wearing nothing but a hat and my birthday suit. I was smashed to the max on a work day too, but I looked overjoyed in my Polaroid pics with my mustache fresh looking like a koi fish. My swag turned up on that Soulja Boy shit, feeling real good about my bad choices. Who in the world is the girl in my bed? Who's the dude on the couch with dreads? And why in the hell was I drinking so much? Should've stuck with the weed like Breezy told us. Now I'm looking for the Folgers, awake from a coma, making my way through empty bottles of Corona. Follow the aroma, it leads to the doja. Roll up, smoke up, and do it all over.
Woke up so dizzy, drunk and hungover, can't find my house keys. Who was the chauffeur? Got one shoe on and not the slightest clue where my cell phone is.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Friday night, just got paid. Brand new fit, clean boy shade. Feeling good, pre-game, my place. The homies came through with a gang of fade. They said they tryna get loose in a major way, so they sip Grey Goose, no juice, just straight. What it do, young buck, pour cut, I'm straight. I'm waiting on the tree, I got 50 on the Z. Plus, I ain't even Nate. Y'all go heavy in the paint, I go heavy on the dank. You go heavy on the drink and go end up on your face, not me. Not me. But I don't think I'ma get my weed no time soon. I'ma have to proceed to consume the first thing I see. A little OJ and a lot of Belvedere. 2 shots for her, 2 shots for me. The more that we booze, the less that we see. Now that is more booze than Apollo D. Ate her up like a pig on the tree. Later, outside, pissing in the street. Haters, cops came through on the creep. Gave me a ticket and a motherfucking speech.
It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on,
Okay.
not many I trust. I'ma go my own way, God. Take my fate to wherever you want. I'm out here on my son. Won't stop till I get me some. Club hopping, trying to get me some. Bad bitches wanna get me sprung. Early in the morning, I'm waking, baking, drinking, contemplating. Ain't no such thing as Satan. Evil is what you make it. Thank the Lord for that burning bush. That big body Benz I was born to push. On my way, I'm burning kush. Nigga, don't be worried about us. Neighbors knocking on the door, asking can we turn it down. I say ain't no music on. She said no, that we. It is loud, nigga, we ballin'. Straight swaggin', lost heart, but I'm maintaining. I've been told that I'm amazing. Make sure keep that fire blazing, we living. I need